I got some shells and I decided to decorate them to do a little arts and crafts. So these shells came from their clam shells, and I got them from Aldi's. They were stuffed clams, and I just took them in hot water and Dawn. Do not use bleach if you're going to decorate with them. And Dawn, and I like the rustic look, so I'm not going to sand it down. But I'm going to take some nail polish, and I'm going to polish them. And this is how one of them already came out. This is just nail polish with sparkles. And I'm working on this blue one right here. Polish. And make sure you shake up your nail polish really good. And then go into the grooves. Paint with the grooves. And you don't want to put too much on. You may have to put 2 to 3 coats on. But you want to make sure that you're painting with strokes. Now, you can use your nail brush that comes with it, or you can use a paintbrush. You just want to make sure that it's inside the grooves. And don't forget your edging. You want your edging to be done. And it may be a little rustic on the edging. What I mean by that, like a little chip. But that just makes it more real to me. Okay, you'll see the finishing project when I'm done. Okay, I already painted the shells and now I'm designing. I decided to use the diamond stones. These were leftovers right here. And it came with the stick and the tray. And I decided to get ahead and take these just like I would if I was doing the diamond paintings. I pick it up. Here's my wax. So I've already put it on the stick. And this way I can pick it up and then I just dip it. Then I just place it like that. Use washable, no run, just regular school glue. See, it says dry clear. And easy to clean up. And so far, it's working. Show you up close. That's how it looks on the stones. And when it dries, it looks like this. And let me show you purple up close. Look at that. I'm not going to put any on this because I brushed this one with glitter. And that would be too much. And this one over here, I may also leave plain. Do some more arts and crafts. So I got me some super glue. And you just get this super glue at Dollar Tree. And you get your rubber band. Now, you see how thick these rubber bands is compared to this one. You don't want a thin rubber band. Nope. You want a thick one. And then you're going to go right here in this groove. And then you're going to take some glue. And you're just going to squirt some glue. And I use this one, the bottle, because you can able to control where you want the glue at. And you really want the glue up close inside this groove right here. And you're going to get ahead and pour some glue. Try not to put too little. You have to kind of determine. Now, to get that to sit down, you want to take a regular paper clip and press into there because the rubber band will pop back up. And you just get ahead and you just constantly press that down. And then you move the shell up and down so that liquid could get ahead and come all the way from here, all the way here. And you just keep on doing it. I just sit it here, standing up. Try not to lean it. Put something in front of it like that to stand it up so it could dry. Now we at the step where I took the rubber bands and I decided to get ahead and color them because I thought it would look much better colored. And I even put speckles on this one to match the shell. So let's go see how I did that. So I got these at Dollar Tree. Just like I got that glue at Dollar Tree. So what I did was basically take it and take some patience and just color the rubber band. in. And if you notice, I still got to do some touch-ups on this side. So I'm going to work on that. But the outside looked really well. Let me show you the blue. This is how it looks. The whole thing is done. And then, look how pretty that looks with the shell. And hopefully, I can show you, hang them up. Look at that purple. And that's all you do is color in the rubber band. Then, at Dollar Tree, they also have paper clips. And they have paper clips in different colors. So I got the paper clips, and I'm going to match the blue with the blue, the yellow with the yellow, the red with the red, and of course they don't have purple, but because I put them stones on, I could do it with the white. There it is. I matched it up with the paper clip. So basically I got the shell from Aldi's when I had stuffed shells, cleaned them up, got some rubber bands, some thick rubber bands, got the glue from Dollar Tree, got the paper clips from Dollar Tree, got the markers from Dollar Tree, took some stones that I already had, and this is what I've created. Now, these cannot go outside in the rain because I used nail polish and I used markers. So this is not for an outside like I did the placemats, which is going to be under awning. Put them lights up if you like my creativity and you want to be a honeybee. Subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff.